Welcome. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to prevent everyone from sending media in a Telegram group using the Telegram app on your PC, following the latest update. First, launch the Telegram app on your computer and make sure you are logged in. Once you're in, open the specific group where you want to restrict media sharing. Next, at the top of the group chat window, click on the group name to open the group profile and settings. Then, look for the three dots usually found in the upper right corner and click on them. A menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Group. Within the management options, find and click on Permissions. Here, you will see various settings that control what members can do in the group. Find the option labeled Send Media and disable it by toggling the button off. This will prevent all members, except admins, from sending photos, videos, and other media files in this group. By doing this, you ensure that only group admins can share media, helping you maintain a more controlled and organized group environment. That's it. Your Telegram group now has media sending restrictions applied, making it easier to keep discussions focused and free from unwanted media content. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime if you want to adjust permissions or allow media sharing again in the future. Thank you for watching, and enjoy managing your Telegram groups more effectively on your PC.